Hey there, YouTube. Well, I was gonna go camping today, but look. All I gotta say is this: it's raining, it's pouring, oh man, it's snowing. Yeah, it's raining. It's supposed to be probably snowing tomorrow. Man, my camping day has just been dashed. And I'll show you. If you don't believe it, I'll show you. It's sprinkling. Okay, I gotta put my dog outside to use the bathroom. That's what she meant. I was gonna go camping this weekend. It's supposed to be raining all weekend. And the camper you saw out there, we were gonna use that. Well, I guess I'm be staying home. Well, I gotta get going. I'll see you later. Bye.